A very good morning to everyone, and welcome to the week ahead video brought to you by Synergy Signals. Before we start, quick overview about what this is about. So, the week ahead video simply covers the week ahead, what we're looking at pattern wise. We're looking for market cycles and we're looking for harmonic patterns to complete. This is providing us with our trading opportunities. And what I'm going to do is walk through each pair, show you where we think we sit in the market cycle and identify any trading opportunities. We're going to reflect on the trades we took the previous week. And that's about it. So let's go, folks. We'll start off at the top with AUD CAD. So AUD CAD we had great success with because we can identify the market cycle. Here it is. So this 1, 2, 3 is simply the market cycle in this concept on this time frame. So we can see this market cycle ran from April. Perhaps it's going to run for a year to April again before it finishes topping out. But we took multiple trades. We were targeting this. Once we saw 1 and 2, we were targeting 3. And then we identified 1, 2, and we got in here and took 3. That was a fantastic trade. Now we're at previous highs. We're working those previous highs, which means that we need to take a look from a longer term perspective just to see. As you can see here, I've drawn on this chart multiple harmonic swings. Let's see if I can just pick out that one so this particular one here is this one here, pretty much. So what I want, you might think, what the hell is this guy doing? What this is different swings I've marked out in different colors and just showing you how these different swings repeat. Purple, purple, red, red. The green here, the green here. I could just take this for a walk. The green here. You sort of see the way it's capturing swings. And now we completed this blue one. So we're just getting an idea that price is getting tired and we're not to touch this one. So moving on to next. I don't touch this AUDCHF much at all. It's a historically long, old pattern that is sort of dribbling itself to death at the moment. Very difficult to identify where we are at all on this. I'm not going to try and unpick this one. It's very messy. Can I see clear consolidations? Not really. So I'm just going to move on from this. It's not clear. On the other hand, AUD USD is very clear. We've got our map here. We've got our cycle on the way up. We've got our cycle on the way down. So what we can do here is identify where we are at the moment. So we're at the upper end of level 2 consolidation to the downside. So let's see if there's any freebie clues to identify if this is coming to a turning point. So again, the harmonic measuring stick will take a random low to high swing. We'll copy that out. How much more has this got to go on it? Potentially up to there to complete the ABCD swing. You can see we've done 1, 2, 3 to the high, and we're coming back. We filled in this little gap. It's too early, to be fair, folks, to be looking for shorts in that. Let's move on. So we sent this Euro AUD. Right, what are we looking for? We're looking for this is on the daily time frame. We can see our pattern in front of us. Level 1, level 2, and anticipating the third to start. So we sent this as a long. We made TP1, which is 100 pips, which is a fantastic move. We can see the market sort of cascading down in multiple harmonic moves. So we've got the blue AB equals CD, brought us right into the turn here. We can identify the 3 level harmonics, 1, 2, 3. And we're noticing that this is creating a double bottom. Let's get a bit closer to the action. So we got in here, gave us 100 pips, and that's the move. All lower highs, I believe we're going to stick in a higher low, or at least a double bottom. W, start attacking this going on the way up now. So that's certainly a play. Moving on, Euro USD. Euro USD has been, we traded this as well, took this move here, 1, 2, 3. Now, this particular chart, I'm a little bit suspicious of it as the rightly so, because when you get one, two, three up, you normally get two taken out. We've sort of really reached higher, gapped. This might give us a one, two, and a three higher. Really don't know yet. We know the ABCD is complete. We know it's overextended. Are we going to get what we're looking for, or are we going to collapse it? It kind of feels that we are going to push up a bit here. It just has those vibes to it. Now, in order for that to happen, we've got the mini cycle here, one, two, three to the low. Is this a W or is this a consolidation zone? That's what we don't know yet. We need to see us get above here and start making some moves, and then we can attack. GBP CAD is a particularly nice one as well. We actually got caught here. Now we got 25, came back, stop loss, evens. Um, couldn't get the trade running away from us, but we've now completed a big ABCD. And we know the trade is aligned to the market cycle, which I'll show you. Because the ABCD, we came down, hit it, moved away, retesting these sort of breaking areas. Now, let's get the main. I've identified it as such. Second zone of consolidation, 1, 2. And I am anticipating this area here to really explode up next week. So we shall see how that one wants to play out. GBP USD, similar sort of thing. 1, 2, does appear that it wants to squeeze higher as well. So very mindful. We've still got the 1, the 2 structure on this, and it sort of does want higher prices, it seems, at this stage. So we'll see how that goes. NZD CAD has been an absolute beast of a stock, of a pair, sorry, but we've got the W. We're waiting for that retest. And perspective wise, we're at the lows of consolidation 1, expecting higher prices. As my little map says, we are there. We're expecting this. So this is one to look at as well. Moving on to gold and silver. Let's have a look at silver first. Madness, huge move down. So if we're counting, you've got 1 there. That's 2. It feels like it wants to make a third low. So we'll see how that one wants to come in. Same thing for gold. Gold is crazy at the minute, but it is slowly showing the signs of correction. Have a look what we got. This is just straight rises of months of rise. So I'm not going to get too caught up on that. It's not for me. US dollar basket. Now, this is getting a bit interesting. We've got the 1, the 2 on the monthly, and we are anticipating a third higher. When's that going to be given to us? We're not too sure yet. 1, 2. Is it going to give us a third down into the completion zone? Is that going to happen? We don't know yet. But what we can sort of see at the minute is that we can see a 1 and a 2. And is it going to give us a 3? Completed the ABCD to the lows. Change, break, entry, anticipating higher. Change, break 1, break 2, anticipate higher. Looks appealing. Now, if you have a look at this guy, USD CAD, 642, 742, it's about there where we closed. Similar sort of thing. You can sort of see the bumps on the way down. 1, 2, 3. We cleared out all of this, change break. This could be a consolidation zone, or we're going to dump again. It's really difficult to know. Really difficult to know. We could come lower on this one. But price has sort of held here. So it's really a really compelling situation where we're going to move to on this. Not 100% sure, but we shall see. We also took a trade on USD JPY, which was very pleasing. You can see the consolidation 1, consolidation 2 on the daily, and we actually stole in and we got in here, which is a really nice move away. Yeah, we'll see how that develops for next week. What else is worth talking about? There isn't a great deal else worth talking about, folks. It's still the dollar, euro, GBP to be decided. So we'll see how that one wants to play out. Crypto wise, not really much happening there. I'm not even going to go into it. Bitcoin has staged some sort of a recovery, mild sort of recovery. But for me, this is a consolidation. We should consolidate and we should drop again, to be fair to you. So we'll wait and see how that goes. For anyone who's watching this thinking, okay, this guy seems like fairly interesting. The content's quite compelling. If you want to explore more, sign up for a free trial. In doing so, you get access to some free materials. You get usage of an app that allows you to scan your own trades, harmonic trades, predominantly in equities, limited FX, and crypto. If you want dedicated FX, I operate a hand-selected trade signal service, which I keep my members updated. It's been running for 6 years. You'll see a link in the description if you're looking at this on X. And other than that, folks, I wish you all a fantastic rest of your weekend. I'm very much looking forward to Monday morning, Sunday night. Thanks for watching. Cheers.